Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for December 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong discount. May promo tayo for November, 25% discount sa mga tarot reading services kapag nag-book kayo. So meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, so let's see, Cancer, what's coming to you ngayong December 2024 para sa mga Cancerians. Okay. Uy, this is your energy. So you're going to focus on taking care of yourself kasi this energy ng Cancer is to nurture, to protect, no? So maaring you're also doing some protection, no? Protection sa iyong energy and nurturing yourself, your family. Ayan. Let's see what else. You have energy ng Pluto. So this is transformation, rebirth, major change. Some of you merong change pagdating sa family, home life, family life. Pwedeng change ng bahay, no? Lilipat kayo ng bahay na inyong tinitirahan. Living condition or living situation, may mga pagbabago. Meron ding endings for some of you. Ending a situation, ending a relationship, a career, to start something new. Okay. You have Taurus, which is to cultivate, to take care of yourself. Maari ring meron kang mga bibigyan ng focus attention pagdating sa pera mo, sa resources mo ngayong December. Some of you, kung kayo ay nagtatrabaho sa office, sa corporate, ngayon you will try to work at home, no? Work from home na opportunities. I-explore nyo yan. Okay. Let's see what else for Cancer ngayong December 2024. You have the King of Pentacles. Yes. So this is being reliable, no? Lahat ng mga needs mo ngayong December will be provided para sa'yo. Maaring meron ka ring mga plano for your future, for your career, for your business na ngayon mo siya sisimulan or ngayon mo siya parang isa-strategize kung paano ka magsisimula. Pwede kasing by next year mo po ito gagawin, but ngayong December, ina-analyze mo na kung ano yung mga dapat mong, parang planning, ganyan. Or yung roadmap mo, inaayos mo. You are also going to help others, no? Sa maaring meron ka mga tutulungan financially, lalo na kung if you are someone who is financially stable, you are a breadwinner sa family. You have the Six of Pentacles. Oh, ayun na nga. Speaking of pagtulong, because this is giving and receiving. So, kung ikaw naman ang mga ilangan, merong tutulong sa'yo. This is balance in your finances. So, maaring meron kang mga pangangailangan na mabibili mo, no? Or meron kang mga bagay na i-share sa iba dahil kailangan nila. You will also focus on your family, taking care of your family's needs. Maaring meron kang tutulungan na kapamilya na nangangailangan ng pera. You have the Fool. So this is a new opportunity, new beginnings. This is freedom. So yung iba sa inyo, maaring may mga bago kayong i-explore sa trabaho nyo, sa career nyo, sa business nyo, na nakikita nyo maganda yung potential. So like what I mentioned kanina, kung kayo ay nasa office setup, nagwo-work kayo sa labas, so ngayon sa sa bahay na kayo magwo-work. So yun yung ine-explore ninyo. Some of you medyo risky yung gagawin ninyo ngayong December, but nakikita nyo kasi na may opportunities na malaki yung potential na mag-grow. At sa tingin nyo mas tututukan nyo to. Maasikaso nyo. You have the Two of Wands. So this is partnership. Ayan, partnership, planning, Maaring meron ding taong nakasuporta sa'yo, andyan para magbigay sa'yo ng it's either financial help, financial assistance, or yung resources niya, sinusuport niya sa'yo, or kumbaga parang cheerleader mo. Some of you meron ding travel opportunities ngayong December, and I think ng travel opportunities na to, related siya, or dahil ito sa mga ine-explore mo. Let's say, magta-travel ka kasi gusto mong malaman yung mga raw material sa isang lugar, kung pwede kang kumuha ng supply doon, 'di ba? And so much more. So, maaring meron ding person na katuwang ka dyan, kasama mo sa pag-explore. You also have the 5 of Cups. So, merong losses dito. Pay attention sa mga binibigyan nyo ng efforts ngayong December, kasi pwedeng nakafocus ka sa ibang bagay, tapos hindi mo na pala nabigyan ng attention yung mga ibang importanteng bagay rin, na syempre kung hindi mo siya mabibigyan ng attention, baka may mawala sa'yo. Okay? Let's say, meron kang multiple sources of income, tapos nag-focus ka lang sa isa. So yung isa pwedeng mag-suffer, tapos biglang magsisi ka kasi sayang hindi mo inasikaso. So kumbaga, balance lang ng iyong time, energy, efforts. Okay, money, career, finances for Cancer. Money, career, finances for Cancer. You have the Ace of Swords, so meron kang bright ideas for your career, for your business. Pwedeng creative ideas to. Kung meron kang hinihintay na message from abroad or from someone related sa trabaho, meron kang in-applyan. So, ngayong December, meron ka ng update or balita tungkol dyan. You also have the Mother of Cups. So, when it comes to your career, isa yan sa aalagaan mo. Ngayong December, maaring you will also tap into your creative talents, creative skill set mo, na kung saan mararamdaman mo na parang hindi ka nagtatrabaho kasi gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, dahil in alignment siya sa talento mo, sa mga abilities mo, sa skills mo. You also have the 4 of Cups. So, maaring may mga pagkakataon na parang feeling mo may kulang, no? Na feeling mo dapat meron ka ng ganito sa trabaho, sa career, or sa business mo. But, marami kang blessings eh. You just have to count your blessings para hindi mo maikumpara yung sarili mo sa success ng iba. Kasi you are also successful in your own right. Kailangan lang makita mo yan. Oo, ma-highlight mo yan sa yung trabaho, sa business mo, or sa career mo. Okay, so sa love life naman, you have the 6 of Swords. Okay. So, you are moving on, moving forward. Mas pinipili mo ang sarili mo, Cancer. Kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng challenging situation sa relationships, nakamove on ka na, no? Nandun ka na sa bagong direction na gusto mong tahakin. And for some of you, this is focusing on your money, your finances, your career, yourself, practicing self-love, self-care. See, you have the 4 of Pentacles. So, gusto mo talaga na magkaroon ka ng stability sa iyong finances. Kasi, syempre, kapag stable ka financially, mas mababawasan yung iniisip mo dahil hindi mo na inisipin kung saan ka kukuha ng pera mo, ng mga pangangailangan mo, because you are independent. You can definitely sustain or support yourself. Okay, so mas pipiliin mo ngayon ang sarili mo. Meron ka mga improvements na gagawin sa sarili mo for your personal development. You also have forgive. O yan, meron ka ring patatawarin. I think it's more on patatawarin mo yung sarili mo sa mga naging pagkakamali mo or sa mga wrong decisions mo in the past. At dahil dyan, mas magiging madali ka na makamove on, makamove forward. I think this is also related sa relationships mo. Yung iba, maaring nagkaroon ka ng bad decision sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, sa finances mo. And now, you want to start something new. Kasi itong number 10 sa numerology, this is number 1, which is about new beginnings, new opportunities for you. Okay? So there you go. That is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much and good luck.